The human ears are thus created so that they can be cleaned by themselves, through coughing, sneezing, and chewing. These sudden movements remove the accumulated cerumen or earwax from the ears. However, there are times when earwax can be accumulated in the ear canal, and thus clogs the ear. In these cases, an ear irrigation is necessary, so you should either visit your doctor or try the following natural method at home. A solution of hydrogen peroxide is the simplest and most effective agent for these cases. You should apply it right away. Here is an explanation of the procedure. Pour 4-5 drops of 3% hydrogen peroxide in the ear with a pipette. Then, tilt the head, or lie down in that position, and stay thus for 5 minutes. The hissing sound that you will hear in the ear indicates that the reaction is taking place and the cerumen is becoming softer. Next, wipe the ear with a paper towel. Remember that you should not use a cotton swab. Even though you will feel a great relief after the first time, you should repeat the procedure after several hours, and once more the following day.